In this video, we will see how to convert an Excel sheet to PDF format. You will be using free online tools to do this. To convert the Excel sheet, go to this website from Adobe. I will provide the link in the description. So once you access this website, select the Excel sheet that you want to convert to PDF. You need to upload the file. So you can drag and drop or use the select button to upload the file. It will take some time depending on how big the file is. So wait for this process to complete. Now the conversion is complete. You can see the PDF version. Now click download to save the file to your computer. Thank you for watching this video. So if you like this video, please click the like button and also subscribe to our channel. Thank you.